I'm Jacob.
And today we're here to teach you how to install the PC tool on your computer and how to get the SDA to communicate with your PC. Once you've got your PC, you can then download the software, either found in the description below, or you can get it off the Analox website.
Once the download is complete, unzip the file into a new folder named SDA PC Tool. From there, it is important that you unplug any unnecessary USBs, as this could cause issues in further steps.
If not already installed, you need to install ActiveSync 4.5 or later. This will be available either on the Microsoft Centre or in the link in the description below.
Now it's time to connect your SDA to your PC. You will have received a USB cable with your SDA. Once you plug this in, the ActiveSync will automatically connect. Depending on your operating system, this may open up either the Synchronization Setup Wizard or the Windows Mobile Device Center, which can be closed down.
Now if you go into the SDA folder, you can run the file Setup. The installation file will check if you have the .NET framework installed. If you don't, a prompt will come up to give you permission to install the framework. We recommend that you allow this. If the prompt does not come up, it means that you've got the .NET framework installed.
Once the .NET installation is complete, the SDA Installation Wizard will open. Simply follow the instructions and you will have completed your installation of the SDA PC tool.
Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been useful to you.
For any more useful information, additional links and any extra FAQs, check the link in the description below.
Please don't hesitate to contact customer support for any other information or any other issues that you have. Description below. That's what it is. The description below.
I started laughing a bit when Rob started taking the shoes off. It was so loud.
He took his shoes off.
Yeah, they're so squeaky.
You were like messing with
You're not. It's too hard to think you're not.
me.